Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best selfie drones that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a beginner, an outdoor enthusiast, or just looking for the perfect tool to capture your adventures, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Hover Air Beacon and Joystick Set. This isn't your traditional selfie drone. Instead, it's a modular motion controller designed to enhance your drone flight experience. One of its standout features is its tri-state modular design joystick, which allows for either one-handed or two-handed control, depending on your preference. The addition of a 1.78-inch OLED display lets you monitor footage in real time, making it a great tool for outdoor filming, cycling, or travel. The build quality is excellent, with a lightweight yet durable design that feels premium. The built-in microphone with noise reduction adds an extra layer of functionality, particularly for vloggers looking to capture clear audio while recording. However, it's worth noting that the Hover Air Beacon is more of an accessory for existing drones rather than a standalone product. This makes it ideal for those who already own a compatible drone from the Hover Air X1 series. While the modular design is innovative and the features are well thought out, it lacks the camera capabilities of the other drones on this list. It's a niche product, perfect for enthusiasts looking to elevate their filming experience. However, if you're in the market for an all-in-one selfie drone, this might not be the best pick for you. At number 4, we have the Contixo F19 drone. This drone is perfect for beginners and novices, offering a user-friendly experience with its foldable design and lightweight build. The 1080p HD camera delivers clear and vibrant images, and the manual 90-degree adjustability gives you some flexibility in capturing different angles. Whether you're flying indoors or outdoors, the obstacle avoidance system ensures safe operation by stopping the drone when it detects nearby objects. The Contixo F19 comes with 2 batteries, offering a total flight time of 20 minutes. While this is somewhat on the lower side compared to other drones on the list, it's sufficient for short bursts of fun or quick footage sessions. Features like altitude hold, headless mode, and follow me make it easy for beginners to get started without feeling overwhelmed. However, the maximum range of approximately 30 meters might feel limiting for more advanced users. On the downside, the F19's performance is somewhat basic when compared to others in its price range. The camera quality, while decent, doesn't reach the 4K resolution found in other models. That said, it's an excellent option for someone just starting out with drones, especially if ease of use and safety features are your top priorities. Coming in at number 3, we have the Uke camera drone. This foldable quadcopter offers a well-rounded package with its 1080p HD camera, 150-degree adjustable lens, and night vision capabilities. The brushless motors provide a quieter and more efficient experience, while the built-in shock-absorbing camera ensures smoother footage even in less than ideal conditions. It also comes equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance and optical flow positioning for added safety and stability. One of the standout features of the Uke drone is its extended flight time. With 3 rechargeable batteries included, you can enjoy up to 45 minutes of flight time, making it perfect for longer sessions. The range of functions, including 360-degree flips, altitude hold, and various speed modes, ensures that both beginners and experienced users will find it exciting to operate. However, the setup process might take a bit of time for first-time users, and the camera resolution, while good, doesn't quite match the 4K standard. Overall, the Uke drone is a solid mid-range option that balances features and performance. It's ideal for those who want extended flight times and additional features without breaking the bank. At number 2, we have the Tizzy Toy 4K FPV drone. This drone is a powerhouse for its price range, featuring a 4K camera with a 120-degree adjustable lens and 110-degree wide-angle coverage. The brushless motors ensure a quieter and more efficient flight, while the optical flow positioning provides excellent stability even in windy conditions. It's a fantastic choice for capturing breathtaking aerial footage, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned flyer. The Tizzy Toy drone includes two 1600 mAh batteries, providing an impressive total flight time of up to 40 minutes. The inclusion of a carrying case makes it convenient for travel, and the spare fan blades are a thoughtful addition. The drone also comes with a robust set of functions, including obstacle avoidance, gesture control, and 360-degree flips. The intuitive app control and real-time video transmission make it easy to share your adventures on social media. While the Tizzy Toy drone offers excellent value, it may feel slightly bulky for younger users. Additionally, the lack of FAA registration requirements makes it accessible to a wide audience. This drone is perfect for those who want high-quality video capture without paying a premium price. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Relidol drone with a 1080p camera. This drone strikes the perfect balance between beginner-friendly features and advanced functionality, making it a standout option for users of all skill levels. The adjustable 80-degree lens and 1080p HD resolution deliver crisp and vibrant footage, whether you're capturing selfies, exploring the skies, or inspecting hard-to-reach areas. The design is lightweight, foldable, and portable, making it easy to carry around for outdoor adventures or indoor flying. With 2 enhanced batteries, the Relidol drone offers up to 25 minutes of flight time. Features like voice gesture control, altitude hold, and one-key start make it incredibly easy to use, even for first-time users. Safety features like propeller guards, child locks, and low-power alarms ensure a worry-free flying experience. What truly sets the Relidol drone apart is its versatility. From 3D flips to waypoint flight and gravity sensing, this drone offers a range of fun and practical functions. It's the ultimate choice for those new to drones or anyone looking for a reliable, feature-packed option without the need for FAA registration. If you want the best bang for your buck, the Relidol drone is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.